Hello, I'm going to show what is new in the targeted gathering in the Forklift mass gather. As the first step of the targeted gathering, I created a gathering by namespace. So when the OC mass gather command is called, there can be specified namespace, and then objects from OpenShift will be filtered out by the namespace. Let me show it. So I just copy paste the command. Currently the image is the development one, which is targeted NS labeled from my repository, but once it gets merged, it will be part of the Forklift. The scripts for the gathering are pretty much, or the scripts itself are the same as the full mass gatherer, just there are few conditions and environment variable setting to pass namespace name to the gathering script, and then the scripts filter out objects which are not part of the required namespace or are not part of the OpenShift migration and CNV and this default namespaces. The all gathering should take less than 1 minute. Of course, depends on the OpenShift cluster, connection speed, and so on. Actually, logs have been already captured. There is no change in logs capturing, just in the CRs. The logs maybe could be filtered by some grabbing, but in this PR there is no such change at this moment. Okay, so mass gatherer has been downloaded to my computer. Let's take a look. For the namespaces, there is just namespace 1, which we specified in the command execution, and OpenShift CNV, OpenShift migration. Before, I created also the full gathering. So let's compare it. There is namespace 3 and the default, so it's visible that there are less objects than in the full mass gather. Also, there is the list of files and directories from the both mass gatherer. This is the full version. This is targeted for the namespace 1. It's visible that the objects or CRs from the default namespace or NS3 are not present in the targeted one. Also, looking on the OpenShift migration, there were plans which are part of the namespace 3, and it's also not part of the targeted getter for namespace 1. So this should decrease amount of data which are being downloaded by the mass gatherer. Thank you.